Hey guys, I'm Bondi Elle. Today I'm going to take you through two of my very favorite vegan recipes. So the first is a main meal and the second is a slightly naughty but very delicious vegan protein smoothie. All right, so first up I'm going to take you through spicy peanut butter tempeh and rice. So the ingredients we're going to need for 4 servings are 600 grams of tempeh, 180 grams uncooked brown rice, 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger, either fresh or paste, 3 cloves of garlic or garlic paste, 6 tablespoons of water, and then finally, as a garnish, shallot. Step 1, mix all of the ingredients for the spicy sauce together. Step 2, cut the tempeh into cubes. All right, so step 3, add the sauce that we've just made to the tempeh and marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And step 4, cook the rice as per packet instructions. So next step, place the tempeh onto some baking paper in a tray, and we're going to cook in the oven on 190 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure you give it a light spray of coconut oil before we pop it in. Next, we're gonna mix up all of the ingredients for cabbage into a bowl. So the ingredients we're going to need are 140 grams of purple cabbage shaved finely, the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. So mix in your sesame oil, your agave, and also your lime into the dish. And then we're gonna pop that one aside to marinate as well. All right, so now we're ready to plate up our dish. So as you can see, I've popped the rice and the cabbage into a bowl as the base, and now we're going to put the tempeh on top. And then we're just gonna use some of our leftover sauce on top and finish with a nice garnish of the shallots. So there we have it, all done. All right, so I promised you at the start that I was gonna share with you my very delicious vegan smoothie. So here it is, it's an apple pie smoothie and you're gonna love it. So the apple pie smoothie serves 1, and it's perfect for breakfast or straight after training. And these are the things you're gonna need. 1 apple, 100 grams of coconut yogurt, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 15 grams of rolled oats, a generous pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg. So we're all set to make the smoothie. First up, chop the apple and remove the core. All right, so once you've chopped up your apple, pop it into the blender. Next up, we've got the coconut yogurt, and then add in the almond milk. After that, add in the oats. Next, you have the chia seeds, add in the nutmeg, and then we've got the cinnamon. So last, but definitely not least, we've got our secret ingredient here. So we've got the White Wolf Vegan Natural and Lean French Vanilla Protein. So we're just gonna add in 1 scoop. So now we're all set to blend. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Now don't forget to like and share this post and follow our page so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time.